Do you ever find yourself struggling to make sense of huge data sets and overwhelming spreadsheets? What if you could transform all that raw data into powerful, easy-to-read dashboards? Welcome to our guide on building interactive Excel dashboards, where we'll show you how to turn complex numbers into compelling stories. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning visuals that help you spot trends and make smarter decisions. First, let's understand the difference between a static report and an interactive dashboard. A static report is a fixed document that presents data without any way to change it. In contrast, an interactive dashboard is a dynamic tool that allows you to filter and manipulate data in real time. This means the data changes based on your input, giving you complete control and flexibility. So, why should you take the time to build a dashboard? For starters, it helps you spot trends quickly by presenting key information in a visual format. It also saves time on reporting by automating the most tedious parts of your work. Dashboards can automate updates, so your data is always current without you having to manually refresh anything. And finally, they make data easy to understand, turning complex spreadsheets into simple charts and graphs. To create a powerful dashboard, you'll need 4 essential elements. First, you'll need your raw data, the foundation of everything you'll build. Then you'll use PivotTables to summarize that data into a clean, organized table. Next, you'll create visualizations, like PivotCharts, to turn your data into compelling images. And finally, you'll add interactive filters or slicers, which allow users to control what data they see with a simple click. Before you build anything, you need to prepare your data. You'll often start with raw, messy data that might have errors, inconsistent formatting, or missing values. Your goal is to clean and transform it into clean, structured data. Pivot tables are your secret weapon. You start with your data. Then you summarize it with a pivot table to organize it and get the totals you need. And finally, you visualize it with a pivot chart to make it come to life. This is where your dashboard becomes truly interactive. By adding slicers and timelines, you can give users a simple and intuitive way to filter your data. Slicers allow you to filter by specific fields like region or product type with just a click. And with a timeline, you can filter your entire dashboard by date range. As you design your dashboard, remember these key principles. First, keep it simple and uncluttered so your audience can focus on what's important. You should also highlight key metrics using larger fonts or bold colors to draw attention to the most important numbers. Be sure to use consistent colors throughout your entire dashboard for a professional and cohesive look. And always design for your audience, thinking about what information they need most and how they'll use the dashboard. Ready to start building? Here are your first 3 steps. First, find a clean dataset online that you can use for practice. Next, create your first pivot table to start summarizing that data. And finally, add a pivot chart and a slicer to a new sheet to see your dashboard come to life. Want more helpful tips and insights on how to master Excel and data? Be sure to follow and subscribe to ScriptDataInsights for more Excel tips. You can find us on both Instagram and YouTube. Just look for @ScriptDataInsights on either platform to get started.
All right, everyone, that wraps up another valuable session here at ScriptDataInsights. We truly hope you found today's content insightful and immediately applicable to your work or studies.
If you haven't already, now is the perfect moment to join our growing community. Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of a family dedicated to learning and growth. Don't miss out on any of our future tips and tutorials.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more learners just like you. And if you know someone who could benefit from these insights, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Spread the knowledge, empower more people.
We absolutely love hearing from you. What were your biggest takeaways from today's video? Do you have any questions or perhaps a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We read every single one, and your feedback helps us create even better content for you.
And the learning doesn't stop here. For daily bites of wisdom, quick hacks, and behind-the-scenes content, make sure you're following us on all our social media channels. You can find us everywhere as at ScriptDataInsights. Let's stay connected.
Ready to dive deeper? We've handpicked some fantastic videos we think you'll love. Click on either of them to continue your learning journey and explore more powerful techniques.
Remember, at ScriptDataInsights, our mission is to help you continuously upgrade your skills and unlock new opportunities. Consistency is key, and every little bit of learning adds up to significant growth.
Thank you so much for being a part of our community. Your dedication to learning truly inspires us. We're excited to see what you'll achieve. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.